Should we start? नमस्कार. आज महाराष्ट्र इंजिनिअरिंग सर्व्हिसेसचे जे इंटरव्ह्यू सुरू आहेत MPSC द्वारा घेतले जात आहेत, ज्यामध्ये एक्झिक्युटिव्ह इंजिनियर, असिस्टंट इंजिनियर या पदासाठी मुलाखती घेतल्या जात आहेत. या मॉक इंटरव्ह्यूच्या सत्रामध्ये आज आपल्या पॅनलमध्ये जे मान्यवर आहेत त्यापैकी डॉक्टर दिलीप नंदवार सर आहेत. डॉक्टर दिलीप नंदनवार सर, आपलं स्वागत आहे आकार फाउंडेशन संस्थेच्या वतीनं. मी थोडक्यात सरांचा परिचय करून देतोय. टेक्निकल एज्युकेशन मधलं एक फार मोठं व्यक्तिमत्व की ज्यांनी जवळपास 30 ते 35 वर्षाचा अकॅडमिक आणि ऍडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव्ह त्यांचा अनुभव या क्षेत्रामध्ये राहिलेला आहे. डॉक्टर दिलीप नंदनवार सर यांचं PhD एज्युकेशन झालेलं आहे स्ट्रक्चरल डिझाईन मध्ये, आणि सर जॉईंट डायरेक्टर म्हणून एज्युकेशन टेक्निकल एज्युकेशनला सर जॉईंट डायरेक्टर आहेत. गव्हर्नमेंट पॉलिटेक्निकला प्रिन्सिपल म्हणून सुद्धा सरांनी अनेक ठिकाणी नागपूर, नाशिक, पुणे या ठिकाणी काम केलेलं आहे. आणि गव्हर्नमेंट ऑफ महाराष्ट्राकडनं बेस्ट टीचर आणि ऍडमिनिस्ट्रेशनचे अवॉर्ड सुद्धा सरांना मिळाले आहेत. सो आपले विद्यार्थी आहेत सर शिशिर, जे आता महाराष्ट्र इंजिनिअरिंग सर्व्हिसेसच्या मुलाखतीला पात्र झालेले आहेत. आपण ऍडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव्ह वेनी शिशिर यांचे मॉक घेतलेले आहेत, पण टेक्निकलच्या बाबतीत सुद्धा त्यांना गायडन्सची गरज होती. सो आपण आज या सत्रासाठी उपलब्ध झाला सर. मी संस्थेच्या वतीनं आपलं मनपूर्वक इथे स्वागत करतो. सोबत आहेत डॉक्टर विजय वाढई सर, ज्यांचा सुद्धा 30 वर्षाचा जवळपास अनुभव. प्रिन्सिपल सर DY पाटील कॉलेजला होते, त्यानंतर सिंहगड कॉलेज ऑफ इंजिनिअरिंग, ट्रिनिटी कॉलेज ऑफ इंजिनिअरिंग, आणि सध्या सर ऍस्ट्रिट अकॅडमी जी इंटरनॅशनल लेवलला काम करते त्या संस्थेमध्ये सर एक्झिक्युटिव्ह डायरेक्टर आहेत. सो दोनही मान्यवरांचं मी आकार फाउंडेशनच्या वतीनं स्वागत करतो आणि मॉकला सुरुवात करावी अशी विनंती करतो. सर, डॉक्टर दिलीप नंदनवार सर.
हा, शिशिर काय आडनाव आहे?
शिशिर, परिचय द्या शिशिर आपला.
सर मी
जस्ट इंट्रोड्यूस युअरसेल्फ.
येस सर. सर मी शिशिर मिलिंद मेश्राम, मी नागपूरचा आहे. त्याच्यानंतर मी माझी इंजिनिअरिंगचं एज्युकेशन GH रायसोनी कॉलेज ऑफ इंजिनिअरिंग नागपूर इकडने केलं आहे. मागील 1 वर्ष आणि 1 महिन्यापासून मी जलसंपदा विभागाअंतर्गत येणाऱ्या गुणनियंत्रण शाखेमध्ये सहाय्यक अभियंता श्रेणी 2 या पदावरती कार्यरत आहे. महाराष्ट्र अभियांत्रिकी सेवेचा हा माझा दुसरा अटेम्प्ट आहे. आणि याच्यानंतर मी या परीक्षेला, ह्या अटेम्प्टला मुख्यतः ग्रुप A च्या सर्व्हिसेस साठी इंटरव्ह्यू देतोय सर.
ओके. सो यू पास फ्रॉम रायसोनी कॉलेज ऑफ इंजिनिअरिंग?
येस सर.
सिव्हिल इंजिनिअरिंग?
येस सर.
ओके. सो हाऊ मच यू स्कोर इन रिटन टेस्ट?
इन MPSC रिटन टेस्ट?
MPSC,
सर 246 sir.
Out of
400.
Out of 400. Okay. And interview is of now 100
sir, 50 marks interview.
50 marks now. It is 50 marks.
Yes,
okay. What are your areas of interest in civil engineering?
Sir, I like geotechnical engineering, then concrete technology, and I have little interest in SOM, sir.
Okay. In structure, you don't have any much interest as such. Okay.
Yes, sir. It would be.
What was your project when you completed B?
Sir, it was a study project. We did it on a pile foundation, like the lateral load analysis of piles, sir.
Lateral load analysis of piles.
A pile foundation, yes, sir.
It was a study project.
Yes, sir. Study project. Sir.
What? Explain what you have done.
Sir, we took a pile foundation from a site, like for analysis. We took a pile foundation. We already had the deflection, like in lateral load, how much it will deflect, and then we analyzed it by a Rees and Matlock approach. How much it will deflect. So we compared both the result, and we could not get the satisfactory result. So that's what we stated in our project, sir.
Who was your guide?
Sir, it was
Guide
yes, sir.
for B project.
Uh, uh, I'm not recollecting ma'am's name.
Professor.
Yes, sir.
How many team members were there?
Sir, we were 4 members.
Okay. When pile foundation is used in a structure?
Sir, if we are not, if we are constructing, first of all, if we are constructing deep foundation, we need a pile foundation there. And if we are not getting satisfactory hard foundation, we can go for the pile foundation, sir.
Okay. What do you mean by bearing capacity of a soil?
Sir, the load it can bear. It is basically the load carrying capacity of that particular soil. It is the bearing capacity of that soil, sir.
Okay. What is the safe bearing capacity of a black cotton soil?
Sorry, sir, I do not remember the exact numbers, sir.
You should know, because you work on pile foundation, and
Yes, sir,
pile foundations are used whenever there is a deep layer of black cotton soil.
yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, on which principle the pile foundation works?
Sorry, sir.
On which principle the pile foundation works? For example, there are RCC
Yes, sir.
footings,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
and there are conventional footings, combined
Yes, sir.
footings.
Sir, the pile basically works by transferring the load through skin friction, by skin friction, and also by from the tip of the pile, that is the bearing of the pile. Like it basically works on 2 principles: by transferring the load through the skin friction, and also through the tip of the pipe through bearing.
Have you seen any site where pile foundation is going on?
Sir, currently haven't seen. I had seen it before in when I was studying in college, sir.
Okay, but during project you have
During
never
project, sir.
visited?
Yes,
During
sir.
project.
During project only, sir.
During project, I mean to say during project. You
Yes, sir.
visited which site?
Sir,
Where?
it was in 2016 in March in Mumbai SNB infrastructure.
Okay.
They were constructing 8 floors building, a residential complex. That time I had seen, sir.
Why they have used pile foundation there?
Sir, because they the area was very it was म्हणजे एरिया खूप कमी होता सर, आणि पर्याप्त तिकडे आपलं नॉर्मल फाउंडेशन टाकासाठी एरिया नव्हता.
Area means which area?
Sir, it was in city. It was in the urban area of Mumbai.
Okay.
It was near the Tilak Road station. It is a very densely populated area. So they didn't had the required area for laying a normal shallow foundation. That's why they went for a deep foundation, sir.
Okay. What do you mean by under rim pile?
Sir, under rim piles, they are different from the normal pile. We have a bubble like or we can say bulb like structure in the pile that helps in the anchoring of the pile, as well as it is used in a more swelly and more shrinkage type of soil like the black cotton soil. The design parameter, there are various design parameter according to IS 911. The center to center distance between the bulb should be 1.5 times the shaft diameter, and also the diameter of that particular bulb which we are constructing on the pile should be 2 to 3 times of the shaft diameter, sir.
Okay. So in your area, where you stay in Nagpur?
Sir, I stay in Vishwakarma Nagar side, sir. It is behind medical college.
Okay. In Nagpur, you have not seen any pile foundation going on?
No, sir, I haven't seen it, but I haven't seen it, sir. To be precise, sir.
Okay, okay.
I would like to add, sir, I am currently posted in Chandrapur district in Sauli Taluka.
Okay. You were already selected by
Yes, sir.
MPSC
I
in
am.
last
Yes, sir. I had
last
already been
examination.
selected, sir.
Okay. Now you are trying for higher
Group A post. Yes, sir.
group A post.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Which IS code is used for the soil testing?
Sir,
Different
test.
soil tests are to be
Yes, sir.
performed for
Yes, sir.
executing any construction project.
Yes, sir.
So
There are.
soil testings are there.
Yes,
So
sir.
which IS code is used for testing of soil?
Sorry, sir. I don't remember. I had worked with IS 383 for gradation of soil.
Okay, that is gradation of soil.
Yes, sir.
If I have to perform liquid test of a soil,
yes, sir.
or plastic state,
Yes, sir.
shrinkage test. So which IS I should use?
Sorry, sir. I never remember, sir.
Okay, okay. Have you heard about C5 core in foundation?
Sorry, sir.
C5.
Yes, sir. C5. Yes, sir.
Yeah, C5.
Yes, sir.
C stand for?
Cohesion, sir.
And 5 stands for?
The angle of internal friction.
Angle of internal friction.
Yes, sir.
So what do you mean by angle of repose in foundation?
Sir, as per the definition, sir, angle of repose is the angle.
For any soil, there is an angle of repose.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So as you are interested in soil engineering or
Yes, sir,
geotech, so what do you mean by angle of repose?
Sir, it is the angle made by the resultant and the normal. That is angle of repose. I'm unable to recollect what it exactly means in soil engineering, sir.
Okay, okay. You must have done some concrete test also?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So which IS code is used for testing of a concrete?
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. Exact numbers.
If I want to test cement, then which
Yes,
IS?
I should have known this.
There are different
yes, sir,
tests
different
for testing
yes, sir.
cement.
Yes, sir.
So can you name, as a site engineer,
yes, sir.
what are the test of cement to be done?
Yes, sir. Sir, there are various tests, sir. We can perform the laboratory test as well as
engineer.
the
It is asked now go and test this cement. So which test you will do first?
Yes, sir. Sir,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So
yes, sir.
You have to perform 4, 5 tests on a cement.
Yes,
so sir. Which test I should do first? Which test I should do priority number 2, then 3, 4, 5?
Sir, sir, am I on site or am I in the lab, sir?
In the laboratory.
Yes, sir. Sir, first of all, I will see the cement, how it is. Does it have lumps आहेत का तिकडे म्हणजे आणि
laboratory you are provided with lab and different instrument and
we have
accessories.
different instruments for it. First
so,
of all, we will
by visual inspection it is not to be done. So only by testing with the help of different instruments.
First of all, I will go for the consistency
test. First test.
Consistency test.
Consistency test.
Consistency test. From that, if I get the value of the water, the P value, I can go for the initial setting time test. Then I can go for final setting time test. Then I can also cast the cubes for strength testing of cement. Then I can.
But what is the size of the cube to be prepared
70
for cement?
70.6 centimeter into 70.6 mm, 70.6 mm into 70.6 mm into 70.6 mm.
So it's a cube.
It's a cube, and we usually cast the cement in that cube only, sir.
Surface area of that cube?
Sir, it would be,
For calculating compressive strength, if I want to know the surface area,
yes, sir.
so what is the surface area of the cube?
Sir, 7 into 7, 49, it should be 50.2 mm square, sir.
Okay. Okay. Again, which test for cement you will perform?
Sir, we can do the leach atelier separator soundness test. Then we can do the autoclave test for then we can assess the specific gravity of the cement. Air permeability test we can also carry out, sir, from that to assess the fineness of the cement. So these are the tests, sir, on cement, various tests.
If initial setting time of particular type of any cement,
Yes,
for
sir.
example, is 40 minutes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what is the objective of knowing that initial setting time?
Sir, initial
Okay.
setting time, it actually gives us the idea that when the our cement, when it will be mixed with water, when it will start losing the plasticity. Its significance is that, sir, our sites are very far away from the batching plant. So
Okay.
some time is required for transportation of that cement and also the placing of the cement. So it will give us a idea in what time we should take the cement from the site, from the batching plant to the site, sir.
Okay. But now the cement or concrete is directly delivered to the site by ready mix concrete.
Yes, sir.
Then
Sir,
there is no problem.
no, sir, but although ready-made mix concrete keeps it agitating, but sir, sufficient amount of time is then also needed to transport the cement. That's why it will be a point of great significance.
Which project you are handling in Sauli?
Sir, I have a lining of branch canal. The like my project name is Asolamenda project renovation. Asolamenda is an existing canal there. It is being renovated. Now I have a branch canal site there and also pipe distribution.
Concrete canal?
Yes, sir. Concrete lining is going on, sir.
Concrete lining is going on. So which what grade of concrete is being used there?
Sir, at my site there are 5 grades of concrete, and for lining we are using M1520 MSA with super plasticizer, sir.
Achha, with super plasticizer.
Yes, sir.
M50, 15 or
15,
15.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What do you mean by M15?
Sir, the letter M stands for mix, as we mix various components to get concrete, and the 15 means the compressive strength, that is in Newton per mm square, sir.
Achha, 15 Newton per mm square. In which unit of system it is? Newton per mm square?
SI unit, sir.
SI unit.
Yes,
so in irrigation department also SI unit is followed now?
Yes, sir.
Or previous kg per cm square or?
Sir, as far as my knowledge is concerned, sir, it is not being followed. I have personally not encountered, sir.
Okay. So all in all projects SI system is being followed.
Yes, sir. As far as in my tenure, what I have seen in 1 year, I have encountered this.
Who is your minister?
Sir, Shri Jayant Patil, sir.
Acha, Jayant Patil. Then state minister?
Shri Bachchu Bhaupadu.
Bachchu Bhaupadu. Okay, okay. Have you met sometime?
No, sir, I haven't encountered.
In meeting or?
No, sir. Due to the COVID situation, sir, the in-person meetings are avoided, sir.
Okay.
Such precautions are being taken. So mostly the meetings are online, sir.
So these canals have aqueducts somewhere?
Yes, sir, there are aqueducts.
So what is the purpose of aqueduct?
See, sir, the aqueducts are the structures that are constructed when we encounter obstacle. Main purpose of obstacle is to aqueduct is to take the existing canal on a drain, like the drain flows below the canal flows above the drain. So that is the purpose of aqueduct. It takes the canal from above the drain, sir.
From where your design comes? Design of aqueduct or design of canal?
Sir, it is from CDO Nashik, Center Design Organization, Nashik.
From CDO Nashik it comes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Who is your chief engineer at present?
Sir, Shri Santosh Tirmanwar, sir.
Santosh Tirmanwar.
He is chief engineer of the quality control and hydropower.
Working in quality control.
Yes, sir.
At present, you are working at quality control lab?
Yes, sir.
Or?
Quality control department. We test. We make sure the construction is being made of the required quality with the assessment of the assistant of the construction wing.
So you have lab also?
Yes, sir. We have lab. Yes,
Where?
sir. We have lab in Wahi Bhandara, and one lab we have in Chandrapur district, and also in Nagpur district, in Ganganagar, sir.
Okay. All the best. But I advise you that the expert which may be coming at panels of MPSC
yes, sir.
may be from any background. Okay.
Yes, yes,
okay. So it doesn't mean he knows geotechnique or soil or foundation. He may be from PWD or of a structure wing. Yes, so we can ask you question of structure also, because civil engineer means not only a foundation engineer.
Yes, sir.
Maybe survey or structure, quantity surveying, any damn thing, transportation engineering, or planning, even architect. From architect side, expert may be there.
Yes.
Okay. And every time the technical questions they ask, but maybe some general questions in and around your place, general knowledge that can also be asked.
Yes, sir.
So you should prepare for not only soil or foundation, but also structural part also you should know of a building. So tomorrow is your interview?
Yes, sir.
It's online or offline?
Sir, it is offline at Ravi Bhavan.
It is to be conducted at Ravi Bhavan.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Means some technical expert from Nagpur or nearby area may be coming.
Yes, sir.
So probably the chief engineer of that area may be from PWD, irrigation or MJP.
Yes, sir.
So from any background, he will be coming. So I wish you all the best.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Shishir. You have done a good job. You kept a very good patience, and it seems that you have prepared well and you are confident enough. But I still expect more performance from you. Last question, do you know something about the retaining wall and where it is used?
Yes, sir. Sir, retaining walls are the structure to retain the soil, the soil earth pressure of the soil. They are used in various sector. They are used, sir. Where we have to retain the soil, we construct the retaining walls, sir. It is constructed by estimating the earth pressure, sir.
Okay, but I think that a lot more was expected out of this. But anyway, because of the shortage of time, we would like to conclude here. All the best.
Thank you.
Keep your morale very high, and I'm expecting that you should be, successful in your interview tomorrow.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Ram. You can proceed for concluding.
Thank you so much, Dr. Nandanwar, sir, for your valuable time. Thank you so much, Dr. Vijay, sir, for your valuable time and guidance, both of panel. So technical angle is very important for the technical interviews. So Shishir was willing to be a panel member which belong to a technical background. So we are fortunate today. Both are the best dignitaries from technical departments we have today. So thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much from Aakar Foundation.
Thank you. Best of luck.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. So may I leave, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
All the best, Shishir.
Thank you, sir.
Best of
Thank
luck.
you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Dr. Nandanwar, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.